Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we are back above 24K. This doesn't mean anything yet. The price that we need to get above is here, this wave 1 high, and we're just fighting with it. That is at 24.3K for a continuation of the uptrend. We might see a little bit of a reaction here at this wick, but I don't think it is too meaningful. I think the key level is this one, 24.3K. If we get above that level, as I said, next target would be the $25,750 level, and then the wave 3 high. Now again, the wave 3 high at the moment, it's not entirely clear which of these scenarios is really playing out. You know, from the ones that I showed you in the previous video, there's two possibilities here. And in the more bullish one, we would get to 29.5K. And in the, let's say, not so bullish one, which is also bullish, as I said, both scenarios are actually bullish, we would get to around 26.4K. So I've got a bit of a weekend pump here, but we cannot yet see a lot of movement with regards to the other cryptos. So it really seems to be that Bitcoin is leading the way. It's only 0.9% at the moment. But you see that Ethereum is weaker, BNB is weaker, XRP is weaker, ADA is weaker, Solana is pretty much the same. So yeah, you would normally expect that some of the altcoins may be a bit stronger, but it might not be the real deal here, this move up. It could just, until we get above that level, it could just be an A, B, C wave where we will come down once more, then finally into this wave 2 range between 22.1K, pretty about 22,170 and 23,000 basically. So this is now where it's going to be decided, and maybe in the video here we are seeing the decision. But yeah, I mean, what I said to you from down here, we can count it impulsively. And I told you in the previous video that we can be bullish in both scenarios that I had on the chart. We can be bullish, and even in the bearish scenario, which is this WXY pattern, I would actually expect the 25.7 level here, that we will test this, and we are going through as we speak. So we need to see how sustainable that is, and I gave you the targets, and we might now see the breakout. Yeah, and if this is sustainable, probably the other coins will move together with Bitcoin. I don't think this pump is over. Yeah, that's what I said on the Ethereum chart as well. We can be more bullish than bearish at the moment. 60% probability is still for the bulls, 40% for the bears. Make your own decisions based on that, but I think we have a case to be made that the low was here in. I said that from the beginning. We were exploring the case. Down here I was still called crazy. Now more and more people believe, but it's still uncertain. Yeah, we have to be very honest about that. It's still uncertain, and there is no certainty at the moment until we go above certain levels. Going above certain key levels will make the bearish scenario less likely. One of these levels is 25,755. Getting above that will make the bearish scenarios less likely, but in the end we could still get all the way up to 20, here even above 30,000. There are still bearish options based then on the higher level chart, but this would then be a real bear market rally. But again, it is what it is. We don't know yet if it will be if this is just a bear market rally, or if this is already something more substantial. This will be, you know, we will be able to see this in the wave patterns going forward. But for now, we can be more confident in a move to the upside. As I said, the risk though to the downside is not over yet. I hope that is clear. But for now, yeah, this could become something, and we've seen already some coins completing their first impulses. For example, Ethereum, at least on the way, it has fulfilled the minimum requirements definitely for an impulse. Polygon Matic and so on. So there are some good examples already, and Bitcoin still lagging a little bit behind, a little bit weaker, a little bit less volatile, but hopefully also getting there. Yeah, and this is now the decision point. Yeah, so even now, as we try to break out, we have not broken out substantially, but if you see now a retest of this level from above, the 24,280 level from above, that could then boost us to the 25,755 level, and here expect some resistance, and then we go to the 26,400. In the less bullish scenario, in the more bullish one, we could even reach the 29,000. if we zoom out, there is not a lot of support and resistance left here. Okay, so yeah, it will be interesting. Just want to quickly update you. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.